Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. So, today we will know about how to calculate median. So, let's start our today's discussion. First, we need to know what median means. In a distribution, median is that point where 50% scores are found above and 50% scores are found below. Now, we will see how median is calculated. We know that there are two types of data, that is grouped data and ungrouped data. For ungrouped data, median equal to n plus 1 by third term, where n equal to total number of scores. Now see our first example, that is 88, 72, 33, 29, 70, 86, 54, 91, 61 and 57. First, we have to arrange the given scores in ascending order and we get 29, 33, 54, 57, 61, 70, 72, 86, 89, 88 and 91. Here also we get two cases. First one where the value of n is an even number and second one where the value of n is an odd number. In our first example, we have n equal to 10, which is an even number. So here median equal to n plus 1 by 2th term, that is 10 plus 1 by 2th term equals to 11 by 2th term equals to 5.5th term. For calculating 5.5th term, we have to add 5th term and 6th term, then divide the value by 2. Here, after rearranging the given data, 5th term is 61 and the 6th term is 70. So, 5.5th term equal to 5th term plus 6th term by 2, that is 61 plus 70 divided by 2 equals to 131 by 2 equals to 65.5. So, here median equal to 65.5. Now see our second example, that is 21, 12, 49, 37, 88, 46, 55, 74 and 63. Here also we have to arrange the data in ascending order. Then we get 12, 21, 37, 46, 49, 55, 63, 74 and 88. Here total number of scores, that is n equal to 9, which is an odd number. So here median equal to n plus 1 by 2th term equals to 9 plus 1 by 2th term equals to 10 by 2th term equal to 5th term. Here 5th term equal to 49. So median equal to 49. Now come to the second part, that is grouped frequency data or grouped data. For grouped data, median equal to L plus n by 2 minus FB total divided by FA into I, where L equal to exact lower limit of median class. Now come to the point, what is median class? Median class is that class where the value of n by 2 lies. N equal to total number of frequency, FA equal to actual frequency of median class. Here A implies actual. If B equal to cumulative frequency of below median class. Here B implies below. I equal to class interval. Now come to another example for grouped frequency data. Here scores and frequencies are given. Now we arrange the given data in tabular format. First column is score, which is our class limit. Second column is class boundaries. To get class boundaries, we have to subtract 0.5 from lower class limit and to add 0.5 to upper class limit for each class limit. This way we get all our class boundaries. we must have calculated class boundaries for discrete data, like our given example. Third column is frequency, which is given, and the last column is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is the most important part for calculating median. For calculating cumulative frequency, we first start from our lower class limit, and the cumulative frequency will be the same as actual frequency of that class. That is, for 20 to 24 class limit, the cumulative frequency will be 3. Now, we move on to the immediate upper class, that is 25 to 29. Here we get cumulative frequency by adding the cumulative frequency of immediate lower class, that is 20 to 24, and the cumulative frequency is 3, and the actual frequency of that class, that is again 3. So 3 plus 3 equals to 6. That is, for class limit 25 to 29, our cumulative frequency is 6. In this way, by adding 6 plus 7, we get the cumulative frequency for class limit 30 to 34, which is 13. Again, 13 plus 4 equals to 17, which is the cumulative frequency of class limit 35 to 39. And last, 17 plus 3, which is equals to 20, the cumulative frequency of the uppermost class, that is 40 to 44. The most important thing is that the total number of frequencies must be equal to the cumulative frequency of the highest class limit. Here n equal to 20 and the cumulative frequency of highest class, that is 40 to 44, equal to 20. Now, it's time to find out the median class. In our example, n equal to 20, so n by 2 equal to 10, which lies in between 13. So 30 to 34 is our median class. So 30 to 34 is our median class. Now L, that is exact lower limit of median class, here lower boundary, that is 29.5, and FA, that is actual frequency of median class, is 7, and FB, that is cumulative frequency of below median class, is 6. Now we have all the values, that is n by 2 equal to 10, L equal to 29.5, FA equal to 7, FB equals to 6, and I equal to 5. So we put the values in the formula, that is median equals to 29.5 plus 10 minus 6 by 7 into 5 equals to 29.5 plus 4 by 7 into 5 equals to 29.5 plus 2.85, and finally we get 32.35 up to 2 decimal place. That is, our median equal to 32.35. In this way, we can calculate median for both ungrouped and grouped frequency data. That's all for today. Thank you.